So today I'm going to install these floor mats in my VF8 because my VF8 does not come with floor mats. Let me tell you more about it.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
Come over. Let me show you, all right? I'm charging the VF8 at home right now. And because when I bought this car, actually the VF8 does not come with floor mats. These floor mats are actually not VF8 floor mats. These are actually the EFE34 floor mats. So today, I'm actually gonna replace the proper floor mats for the VF8. And actually, where did we buy the floor mats? Hello? Yes, that's right. Actually, we saw some advertising in the owners group and they were advertising these floor mats. So we placed an order and we'll have to install these ourselves. But first, let's remove all the wrong floor mats from my VF8. Whee! Let's go. Well, we don't need these anymore. And we can get rid of this one too. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. So I have to open these. Oh yeah. Oh, they're actually kind of hard to open. Maybe you open this way. Oh yeah. Oh wow, what are these? What do these do? Don't know. What about these? Oh yeah. Oh, that's a lot of pieces. Don't know if I can figure this out. What do you think this is for? What do you think that is for? What do you think this is for? I don't know. What about that one? How about this one? I think this is too complicated for me. And you know what? These are actually quite heavy. But they look like they're very sturdy. They will last a long time. I know what that is. That's the back. I think I can do that one first. Okay, we don't need these. Okay, now it's like a puzzle. So let's do this one. So another thing about the VF8, it actually does not come with a lot of accessories. So for example, let me show you. It does not even come with a spare tire. This is actually optional. So if you want a spare tire, you actually have to order it. And I do plan to order one, probably after TED. And yeah, I think we need a spare tire. What do you think, Quinn?
I think yes.
You think yes? I think it goes in like this. Whee! Oh wow, perfect fit. What do you think?
Really?
Really? Perfect fit? Oh yeah. It's actually just right. Okay, I figured this part out. We can close that. We can close that one. Now, I think there are two pieces for the back. This is too difficult. I know. I think this one goes in the back. I think it goes in like this. It's not a perfect fit. Let me try on the other side. Let's go. Is it like that? Yeah, much better. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect! So actually, you know what? It actually comes with Velcro on the back, so it will actually stick to the carpet. Let me show you. It comes with Velcro on the back so that it will stick to the carpet so it will not move, which is great. Let me put this one in. Oh, perfect fit. Take a look. Yeah, it's perfect fit. Now we have to do the rest. This is challenging. I think this piece is passenger. Let's see. Wow, nice fit. I think it's perfect, and also it's like it's easy to clean, right? Because the surface is like rubber plastic, so it's very easy to clean. Now, let's figure out more pieces. Woo! Well, this one, it's gotta be a driver's side. So let's see. Oh, yes! Wow, perfect fit again. So, if you wonder what the brand of this floor mat is, it's actually called VinFast. All right, VinFast. You can probably Google them. All right, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4. We still have 4 pieces. Where do they go? Where do you think they go when? I don't know. It doesn't come with instruction manual, so we have to figure this out by ourselves. I think there's something has to go in the middle. So I'm going to guess this is the middle piece. This is probably the middle piece. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I think I'm right. So this is the middle piece. And in fact, this goes under like that. Right? And then this goes under like this. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. Now, yeah. See now the floor of the VF8 is so well protected. There's more pieces. We need to figure this out. Miss Wind, which one do you think this goes? Miss Wind, this one, where do you think this goes? I don't think there's any more. I don't think that we need any more for the back. What about the front? I don't know. Oh, maybe it's for the side. Maybe it's for like, no, I don't think, maybe? No. I don't know. I don't know which one this goes. I don't know. Combi? 3 more pieces. I don't know. This is like a puzzle. Let's try this one first. Maybe like this. Maybe. No, not right. No. It has to be that side. Okay, I give up. I don't know how to fit this piece, or this piece, or this piece. So I'm just gonna throw it in the back, and eventually we'll figure this out. let's take a look at the final result. This is in the trunk, and also the back seat. You know, the floor area is very well protected now. And if we look at the front passenger area, it is also very well protected, as well as the driver floor area. So actually, I think this is a really great product. We will put the information on how to buy this product in the description below. And if you have a VF8, then maybe you can acquire one as well. How much do we pay for this?
2.6.
Okay, we pay for 2.6 million for the floor mats. So take some fucking action, maybe get some floor mats for your VF8, and don't be a fucktard.